Subtracting, multiplying, and dividing with negatives. This example is going to show us how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions that include a negative in front. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do is remember, we're going to put each thing that is being added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided into parentheses. That's important. So we want negative 1 5/8, the whole entire thing, to be added to negative 3 1/4, the whole entire thing. So here's how we enter it into our calculator. We're going to put a negative sign outside the parentheses. This shows that the negative is going to be applied to every single thing inside the parenthesis. So we want 1 5/8, the whole thing to be negative, so we put a negative outside the parenthesis. So we're going to do negative, parenthesis, 1 plus, put 5/8 into another parenthesis, 5 divided by 8. Okay. And then we're going to plus. Is this one negative? Yes, it is. So we're going to put the negative again on the outside, negative, parenthesis. So negative, parenthesis, 3 plus 1 divided by 4 inside parentheses, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and push enter. So I'm going to show you what this looks like on the calculator to get us our right answer. Okay. So if we type it exactly the way we see this, with double parentheses, just like we see here, we'll get the right answer. Alright, so we have negative button, and then we hit parenthesis, and then we hit 1 plus, and then in parentheses I put 5 divided by 8, and then I close that parenthesis for the fraction, and I close that parenthesis for the whole entire thing. And then we're going to go ahead and add it to a negative, and then our parenthesis we have 3 plus, and then my 1 divided by 4 goes in parentheses, 1 divided by 4, so the 1 divided by 4 is in parentheses, and now I'm going to put the whole thing into parentheses with another one. That's what I'm talking about with that double parenthesis. Once we're done, we go ahead and push enter, and we get negative 4.875. Again, this answer is in decimal form, so we need to turn it into a fraction, so we hit second, PRB key, and then push enter, and we get 4 7/8. Remember that U is just a space. We don't want to say 47/8. We want to say 4 7/8. Remember, the whole thing's negative. That's what you see right there. Negative 4 7/8 is our answer. So we're going to go ahead and put equals negative 4 7/8. And that is a simplified fraction.